Hey there, fellow Disney fans. Have you ever settled in for a magical movie night on Disney Plus, only to realize you need subtitles to catch every spellbinding word? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. This quick tutorial will have you turning on subtitles in no time, whether you're on your phone, computer, or smart TV. Let's dive right in. First off, subtitles are a game changer for understanding accents, learning languages, or just enjoying content in a noisy environment. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Disney Plus account. If you're using the web version on your computer, open your browser, go to disneyplus.com, and sign in. Once you're on the home screen, select the show or movie you want to watch and hit play. Now, for turning on subtitles. Look for the settings icon, which is usually a gear or a speech bubble with lines. On the web player, you'll see a captions or subtitles button at the bottom of the video player. Click on it, and a menu will pop up. Select your preferred language. English is the default, but you can choose from options like Spanish, French, or others depending on availability. Easy peasy. If you're on the mobile app, open the Disney Plus app on your phone or tablet. Play your video, then tap the screen to bring up the controls. You'll find a subtitles icon, often represented by a chat bubble. Tap it, and select your language from the list. For smart TV users, the process is similar. Use your remote to navigate to the video. Press the options button. It might be labeled as menu, or have 3 dots, and look for the subtitles setting in the accessibility or audio options menu. One quick tip. If subtitles aren't showing up, double-check your account settings under Profile or Preferences in the app. Sometimes, they need to be enabled globally. And there you have it. Subtitles activated for your next Disney adventure. If you run into any issues or have questions, leave a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you. Subtitled, of course.